Sometimes late at night, I lie awake and watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the lights and lay there in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind, if I never wake up in the morning, could she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day that she is my only one? Yet if my time was true, and she was with the without me, is the Lord gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? Because I have lost loved one in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Now I live with the regret that my true feelings for them never were revealed. So I made a promise to myself to say each other each day how much she means to me, and avoid the circumstances where there's no second chance to tell her how I feel. If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day that is my only one? And if my time was through, and she said the words of me, is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? So tell God someone that you know just what you are thinking of if tomorrow never comes.